Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be replacing this solar light you see on the shed right here. Now I've had this solar light for about 4 years, and when it was working, it did a great job illuminating the area in front of the shed. But recently it stopped turning on at night. So what I'll do in this video is remove this old one and install a brand new one that I just picked up. So let's get started. Here's a look at the new solar light I just picked up. This one's made by the company Egular, and it's a 3-head motion sensor light. Here's a look at the box. Now on the side it tells you it has motion sensor. It has a built-in 3000 milliamp hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery. It's IP65 rated, so it's waterproof, and it also has a wide 270 degree light output. So let me open this up. There's a user manual. Here's one of the solar panel. Now when you buy this light, it actually comes with 2 units, so you get 2 light in the box. There's a mounting bracket with mounting hardware. Also comes with a remote control. There are 2 of them. Zip ties. The other mounting bracket. Solar panel. Here's one of the solar light. Here's the other one. So let me give you some information on this solar light. As you can see, there are 3 LED panels, and combined there are a total of 226 high power LEDs. Right here in the middle is a passive infrared sensor, and this can detect motion with a range of 23 feet. The color output of the LED is 6500 Kelvin, so it's a pure white color. This enclosure is also IP65 rated, so it's waterproof. Now with the design of this solar light, it allows you to adjust the angle of all 3 LED panels. The outside ones, you can swing front and back. You can also rotate this up and down. On the back, you have this mounting base that you can adjust the angle. And to install this onto the wall, what you want to do is take this mounting bracket and first slide this part onto the bracket, like this. And with a solar panel on the back, you have this bracket. And you slide this down until it clicks in place. And if you look at the back, there are 4 mounting holes you can use to mount this onto the wall. Now from a solar panel, it has this very long power cable. It's 189 inches long. And what you want to do is take this connector and plug it in to the bottom of a solar light right here. There is an O-ring on this connector to keep the water out. Now with this solar light, there are 3 lighting modes. You see this power button right here? If you press this once, the light will turn on, and in this mode, if it detects motion, then the light will stay on for 20 seconds and then turn off after. If you press the power button once again, this is mode number 2. Now with mode number 2, the light will be on at 10% brightness. If it detects motion, then it will come on at full brightness for 20 seconds and then go back to 10% brightness. Press it once again. Now the LED light is at 30% brightness. It will turn on at night at 30%, but it will not detect any motion, and it will remain at 30% until daytime. Press it once again, you turn it off. You can also use the remote control to turn it on and off and set mode 1, 2, or 3. With the old light, it's held on by 2 Phillips screws. I'll first need to install this mounting base onto the shed, or if you're installing this on your home, go ahead and mark the 4 holes where the screws will go. Next, I'll drill the 4 holes using 1/8 inch drill bit. Now the solar light does come with drywall anchors, so if you need to mount it on a drywall, you can use these anchors. Next, install the 4 screws. Now when you're installing this, make sure this notch is at the top. Next, slide the solar light into the slot on the base. Now with the solar panel, you can install this directly above the LED light, but if you want, you can mount this elsewhere. And this is why they gave you this very long cable. And you might want to do that if you happen to install this LED light at a location where there's not much sunlight. Then you can mount the solar panel to a different location where there is sun exposure. For this install, I'm going to mount this directly above the LED lights. And just slide this into that slot. and there's a tab at the top that'll click in place. So here I remove the twist tie that was on here and then use the included zip tie to tie up the bundle of wire. Now just tuck the wire in between here. Next, plug the power cable into the power connector at the bottom. Next, you need to set the mode for the solar light. Again, there are 3 modes. I'm going to use the first mode, so I press the button once. Now you can adjust the angle of the solar light. Here's a look at the installed solar light on the shed. Let me show you where I installed the second solar light, and is the main reason why I really like this new design. With a detachable solar panel, I installed the second one inside my shed, and it's something I couldn't do before because with the older design, the solar panel is attached to the LED lights. So what I've done here is mounted the LED light inside my shed and routed the solar panel wire to the outside. This way, during the daytime, the solar panel can still charge a battery inside the LED lights. And whenever I need to put away stuff in the shed at night, I now have a working light. This is a great design, and it makes installation very flexible. Here's a look at the solar light at night. As you can see, it's able to illuminate the area in front of a shed very well. Now in mode 1, it's normally off. When it detects motion, it'll turn on for 20 seconds, and then it'll turn off on its own. Now using the remote control, I'll switch to mode 2. The light will be on at 10% brightness, and if it detects motion, it'll go to full brightness. It'll remain at full brightness for 20 seconds and then go back to 10% brightness. Now let me show you mode 3. Now with mode 3, the LEDs will illuminate at 30% brightness and remain at 30% from dusk to dawn. The motion detection is disabled. With the second solar light installed in the shed, let me show you what that looks like. As you can see, it does a great job at illuminating this space. Now I'm able to get stuff and put stuff away at night. With these 2 solar lights installed, I now have a light to illuminate the area outside the shed and a light inside the shed. If you're interested in getting this solar light, and remember it comes in a 2-pack, the retail price is $40, and right now there's a $3 off coupon you can check below the price, and that'll give you some additional savings. I'll include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave one below. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.